it's a textbook. You need to open page number 217. Today we are going to do unit 13, mass. The name of the unit is mass. I will explain you this unit, introduction of this unit with this page. Actually, mass means weight of something. For example, a person wants to know the weight of fruits of bag. He will take a balance and measure the weight with different books. With some different books, small and big books. There is a balance you can see, and here we put a bag of fruits, and then I will put 10 small books over here to measure the weight of bag of fruits. When we will put them on the balance, they will be equal. And after putting off small books, I will put some 4 big books. So the weight of 10 small books and 4 big books are equal to weight of bag. Okay, now I will tell you what is gram. Gram, standard unit for measuring weight, is a gram. Gram is written in short as G. After using books, a person can use a unit gram, and estimately weight of bag of fruits is 500 gram. No matter who weighs an object, there is no difference in its weight if we use standard units. Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are all fine and safe. Primary mathematics grade 2, it's a textbook of maths. Open your book, page number 217. Today we are going to start unit 13. The name of the chapter is mass. There is a description. 1 stands for 1 unit. The mass of the ball is 6 units. So there is a picture, and we will count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are total. If 1 unit stands for 1, so these are 6 units. Okay, the mass of the ball is 6 units. 1 stands for 1 unit, so the mass of the ball is 4 units. Move on page number 218. Measuring mass in kilograms. The kilogram is a unit of mass. This is a 1 kilogram mass. There is a packet of soil. They have put that soil on the weight machine, and the weight of this soil packet is 1 kg. Okay, the mass of the bag of soil is 1 kg. There are 2 questions they have given. If the soil has a mass greater than 1 kg, where will be the pointer on the scale be? If the mass of the soil is greater than, if soil bag is heavier than 1 kg, so definitely its weight will be like 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg and so on, according to the weight of the mass. There is a second question. Where will the pointer of the scale be if the soil has a mass less than 1 kg? So it's already 1 kg, so definitely the point will be back from 1. It can be between the 0 and 1. Okay, and more than less than 1, more less than 1, anywhere. Okay, 219 page, turn your page. The mass of the can of paint is 5 gram. They have given 1 kg 5 times, and it means can of paint is 5 kg. The mass of the toolbox is 2 kg. They have given the exact number. Okay, there is a column, and you need to solve this column by yourself. You need to write on left side object heavier than 1 kg and object lighter than 1 kg. So there is a description statement. Weigh some objects in the room. In the table below, list 3 objects that are heavier than 1 kg and 3 objects that are lighter than 1 kg. You need to look at your room wherever you are sitting and you need to solve this table. Move on page number 220. Match these with their correct mass. There are 2 men, one is taller and one is smaller in height wise. So definitely there is and there is a mass difference between both of them. So you need to match them by yourself and move on the what is the mass of each item. I am hiding this. You need to write exact mass of these items after watching the picture. Move on page number 220. 221. Measuring mass in grams. The gram is another unit of mass. Okay, gram is the another unit of mass. This is a 1 gram mass. It is lighter than 1 kg. Gram is lighter than 1 kg. 1 gram mass, it is lighter than 1 kg. The sweet has a mass of about 1 gram and 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Keep it in your mind that 1 kilogram is always equal to 1000 gram because gram is smaller than kilogram. The mass of the butter is 250 gram. You can see in the picture 250 gram. Each small marking on the scale stands for 10 gram. The mass of the bread is 50 gram. Okay, move on page number 222. I'm going to skip this page because this is guess and check. These are not accurate guesses and checks. We will do this page when you guys will come back to school. Move in because I don't have weight machine and I will explain you this page in the classroom. Move on page number 223. What is the mass of the gram of each item shown below? You need to write the mass of the gram of these pictures exact because pictures are given and you are able to write after explanation. So you will do this page by yourself. Move on page number 224. There are green beans, peanuts, and they have given the mass of them. Green beans mass is 2 kg, peanuts mass is 1 kg, and coffee beans mass are 5 kg. Now the bag of coffee beans is the heaviest, yes, and the bag of peanuts is the lightest, yes. So 5 kg minus 1 kg is equal to 4 kg. Now they are saying compare the mass of the 3 bags. The bag of peanut is 4 kg lighter than the bag of coffee beans. So we will do that they are saying the bag of peanuts. First we will see what is the is 4 kg lighter than the bag of coffee beans. So we will do 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. The bag of peanuts is 4 kg lighter than the bag of coffee beans. Yes, the coffee beans bag weight is 5 kg and the peanut weight is 1. So we will subtract it and we will have the exact answer. Similarly, D part, the bag of green beans is 1 kg heavier than the bag of peanuts. We will get to know when we will do the subtraction of these things. Okay, first you will do the subtractions like this and then you will write the exact answer. The bag of green beans is E part. The bag of green beans is 3 kg lighter than the bag of coffee beans. You need to do a subtraction like this. First you will write the weight of coffee beans 5, and then you will write the green beans weight mass, and that is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and that is lighter than the bag of coffee beans. Now move on page number 225. Similarly, they have given this is page number 225, and there is a mass of salt, that is 500 gram. There is a mass of eggs 300 gram, and the mass of piece of cheese 200 gram, and there are some blanks given. I will not show you the this part because A and B parts are not solved, and C, D, E you need to solve it by yourself. Solve these blanks by yourself after watching the pictures. Page number 226. The mass of the of a box of books is 3 kg. Compare the mass of each object below with the mass of the box of books. A part, which are heavier than the box of books. How much heavier? So bag of rice are the heavier than in this picture. You can see the bag of rice are the heavier than other pictures. So we will write 8 minus 3 we are writing because we are the mass of the box of books is 3 kg, and we are having here comparison, we are comparing them. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 kg, that is 5 kg heavier than the box of books. What is heavy? Rice bag. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 kg, which are lighter than the box of books. Similarly, you will see in the picture that which objects are the lighter. So you can see fish, rice are heavier. Yes, potatoes are lighter 1 kg. Grapes are heavier, strawberries are heavier, pears are also heavier. So what we know after watching the picture, that fish and the potatoes are lighter. So how much lighter? How will we will get to know when we will have the mass of the box of books 3 kg, and we will subtract it 2 kg, fish weight 2 kg, so that is 1 kg lighter than box of books. Similarly, we will do with this thing with the potatoes. We will subtract 3 minus 1, and then we will get to know the potatoes are 2 kg lighter than the box of books. Similarly, you will solve rest of the 2 questions by yourself. First is visible, and the second one you will solve it by yourself. This is page number 226, and do this page by yourself. I have helped you, but last question you will do it by yourself. Page number 227. What problems? Each person is allowed to check in a total mass of 20 kg without any extra charge when taking a plane. Do the following people have to pay the extra charge when they check in their luggage? There is a lady, she has bag, it's 11 kg. इसका mass क्या है? What is the mass of the bag? 11 kg. And what is the mass of another bag? That is 7 kg. When we will plus it, so answer will be 18 kg. And what they are saying ke total weight should be not more than 20 kg. So she is not going to pay extra charges. She doesn't have to pay the extra charge. It is less than 20 kg. Similarly, there is a man who is having 3 bags and their weight are same 8 kg, 8 kg and 8 kg. So when we are going to multiply it, so it's 24 kg, and that is more than 20 kg, and he has to pay the extra charge. And 228 page, the mass of the box filled with the red and blue marbles is 500 gram. The total mass of the red marbles is 285 gram, and the total mass of the blue marbles is 200 gram. They are telling us the marbles, red marble and blue marble weight separately, and what is the mass of the box. So when we will plus the red marbles and blue marbles weight, so it will be 485 485. The total mass of the marble is 485 gram, and 500 gram minus 485 is equal to 15 gram. So this is the mass of the box. And next question, I am hiding it, and that is on page number 222, and you will do it by yourself. Okay, now open your workbook 2B, this book, Primary Mathematics Workbook 2B, and you need to open book page 107. Workbook 107 page, Unit 13, Maths. This page I am not going to tell you right now because this is guess and check. I don't have weight machine right now. When you will come to school, inshallah, we will meet again, and I will explain you these concepts, because I don't have these things right now and weight machine right now. So these things I will explain you in the classroom. So skip this page. Move on page 108. There is a picture. The mass of the bottle of detergent is 1. You need to write the mass of the detergent. So you can see on the weight machine that is 1 kg. Similarly, B part, you need to write the mass of the box of washing powder. Move on page number 109. This is the same case with these two pictures. You need to solve 109 page by yourself, and 110 page, this is also estimated mass and actual mass. That is not possible without weight machine. So I will skip this page and we will do this page in the classroom. Don't do this page. Move on page number 111. You will do this page by yourself, because I'm just explaining you the one, and rest of the two pages 111 and 112 you will do it by yourself. Fill in the blanks. The mass of the oranges is 400 gram. Very easy, you can do it by yourself. And 111 and 112 page. Move on page number 113. Comparing mass. Fill in the boxes with as heavy as and lighter than or heavier than. You need to use these words. I will help you in this solving you in this page. The mass of the books is dash 1 kg. G. Okay. Now 1 kg. So and the mass of the books are 4 kg. So definitely it's heavier than 1 kg. And rest of the two blanks you can do by yourself. That is also very easy. Move on page number 114. Fill in the blanks. I will give you this work to do by yourself, because this is also very easy. There are 3 pictures: potatoes, fish, watermelon, and you need to solve the blanks by yourself, because you just need to look at the picture and then you will solve them. So do this page by yourself. And now move on page number 115. I will solve just first two blanks for you. Rest of the blanks I am hiding because you can do by yourself. Fill in the blanks. And there is a jar of baked biscuit. Number 1 picture, 600 gram butter, and its weight is 500 gram. And there is a bread as well, that its weight is 400 gram. And A and B part are solved for you, and rest of the parts you will solve by yourself. The mass of the jar of the box is 600 gram. The mass of the bread is 400 gram. And rest of the blanks you will solve by yourself. Hope you will understand both the concepts, and there shouldn't be any confusion. And do them by yourself, solve them on your books. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.